As adults, we often forget how we learned to read and write. Can you actually remember the first time you identified a letter and made a connection between a letter sound? Me neither. Let's explore the International Phonetic Alphabet, known as the IPA. You might have seen the IPA when using, say, an online dictionary to define or pronounce a word, like catch, for example. But do you know the name of each of those IPA symbols and the sounds that they represent? This is what it can be like for young children. You see, they see symbols in their environment, but they don't actually know what they mean. Here's a couple of sections from the IPA. You can see the alphabet symbols also have an example of an associated sound. Using a simplified version, I'd like you to try and sound out the phrase cats and dogs. Now pause the video, try writing the corresponding letter to the sounds you hear in cats and dogs. With my Australian accent, using the IPA, the phrase looks like this: cats and dogs. If you simply wrote this phrase letter for letter, then it isn't really representing the sounds in your spoken words. We don't actually say in conversation, cats and dogs. We skip some sounds and say instead of and we use it z for dogs. How'd you go with this? Did it take you a while to do? This is kind of what it's like for young children to begin to learn how to map those sounds they know as letters.